Shout out to Two Urban Girls blog. This was in the LA Times, but it's behind their paywall. By the way, LA Times is laying off 15% of their staff this week. I'm not using their article because it's behind a paywall. So good luck with all that, LA Times. Judge orders building moratorium in Beverly Hills over a lack of affordable housing. You can't now build a pool in Beverly Hills. You now can't add on a room to your house. You can't, remodel. You can't get a permit in Beverly Hills because Sacramento passed a low income requirement on every city in the state. Beverly Hills doesn't want to build thousands of low income housing in their city. They want to maintain an upper income feel to the city. Now, I don't live in Beverly Hills. I live in Los Angeles, just south of Beverly Hills. My office is in Beverly Hills, but in the working part of it. I don't live in a mansion. I don't have clients who work in mansions. But I respect the right of people to determine where they want to live. And here you have Beverly Hills being told by Sacramento, no, you can't even build a swimming pool in your house now unless you agree to build thousands, I think it's 2,100 low-income housing units they have to agree to build in the city of Beverly Hills in order for this judge who was elected and then ran against nobody for re-election 2 or 3 times has decided in Beverly Hills. So this is the real problem. What the news doesn't want to talk about is the economy is bad, and it has been for 40 years. Americans are making less money and keeping less money, and the government is getting more and more powerful, telling us what to do, which is harming our ability. And you say, well, Bill, what's the big deal if a millionaire, a multimillionaire in Beverly Hills can't build a pool? Well, who builds the pool? It's a contractor. And he hires, 5 or 6 people to build, and he buys concrete from the concrete company, and he buys rebar from the rebar company, and then he spends money at the local fast food place while he's at lunch, and he buys gas, and he buys a car. So it sounds, very progressive to say, oh, we don't want the wealthy to be able to add on to their homes because we're going to tell them what to build. But the government regulations destroy the incentives to be economically successful. What do you think? Let me know, put in the comments below. Love to see your feedback. Feel free to reply to this email, text or email me. Overall, don't let the news distract you from what your plan is. If you're looking to buy a home, let's get a strategy that will work for you. Let's take advantage of these great rates, lock them in, and find the right program. If you're looking to sell a house, let's get a strategy together to help you get the outcome that you want. I'm Bill Gross, at Bill Gross Probate on social media. Call, text, or email. And as always, make today your best day ever. Thanks so much.